Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue working in grammar. Here we go. The page is the page number 74, language. I hope that you already watched the video, okay, about the proper nouns. Okay, you did it? Excellent. Okay, remember, a proper nouns are the name of specific animals, people, places, or things. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. This is the most capital letter. For example, this is my brother Paul, and this is my sister Mary. Okay, if you see, Paul is a proper noun. Okay, so start with capital letter. Mary is a proper noun too and start with capital letter. Okay, they live in New York City. Okay, my cat's name is Simba. Okay, excellent. Now it's time that you put in practice what you have learned today. Color the boxes that have a proper noun in them. Okay, okay, great. Okay, very good. Okay, excellent. Okay, nice. You already recognize these proper nouns. Great. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, don't worry. Be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.